What if I told you one of the fastest blockchains on Earth could still be massively undervalued? Solana, once written off after multiple crashes, is now back in the spotlight. But the real question is this: where could Solana be headed between 2026 and 2030? Are we talking slow recovery or a $1,000 SOL? Let's break it all down. Solana, officially known as Solana, is built for speed and scale. We're talking about thousands of transactions per second, extremely low fees, and an ecosystem that keeps attracting developers, NFT creators, and DeFi users. Unlike many projects fueled only by hype, Solana already has real usage, and that matters when we talk long-term price potential. By 2026, analysts expect markets to be entering another expansion phase. If adoption continues and the broader market cooperates, Solana could realistically trade in the $180 to $420 range, with bullish scenarios pushing it closer to $500. This phase is all about recovery, trust rebuilding, and proving the network can stay stable under heavy demand. Moving into 2027, this is where institutional confidence could start playing a major role. As crypto becomes more integrated into traditional finance, Solana's speed and low costs make it attractive for payments, tokenized assets, and large-scale applications. In this environment, SOL could range between $210 and $550, with strong momentum potentially driving prices even higher. By 2028, Solana transitions from being just another crypto into infrastructure. If developers continue choosing Solana for gaming, DeFi, and consumer apps, demand for SOL increases naturally. In this stage, price projections expand to around $500 to $700, especially if on-chain activity keeps growing year after year. As we approach 2029, market psychology becomes powerful. Historically, this is when narratives peak and strong projects receive outsized attention. Solana could benefit massively here, with prices ranging from $600 to $850, especially if the network is viewed as one of the core blockchains of the next crypto cycle.
Now, let's talk about 2030, the big question everyone asks. Can Solana hit $1,000? In a solid growth case, $700 to $1,000 is possible, and in a full bull market, high adoption scenario, $1,000 to $1,300 plus isn't off the table, but it would require strong execution, favorable regulation, and sustained demand. Of course, none of this comes without risk. Network outages, regulatory pressure, competition from Ethereum Layer 2s, and macroeconomic downturns could all slow Solana's progress. This is a high volatility asset, and anyone investing should understand the risks just as much as the rewards. So, here's the bottom line. Solana has already proven it can survive. If it continues to evolve, scale, and attract real users, the 2026 to 2030 period could be transformative. Whether it becomes a $300 coin or a $1,000 plus giant will depend on execution, not hype. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Solana reaches $1,000 by 2030, or does it fall short? Drop your prediction in the comments.